Welcome to Cambis School of Business and Motivation. On this channel, we talk about business, talk about success, we talk about motivation. We share knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, please slash the subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll be the first person to be served. So keep watching.
Bien, pour nos amis francophones, je l'ai déjà dit dans une de mes vidéos, afin de réduire la durée des vidéos, vous verrez la traduction plutôt. Je ne vais plus faire une traduction de ce que j'ai dit en anglais, peut-être vers la fin de la vidéo. Mais plutôt, vous verrez une traduction de la vidéo sur la vidéo, c'est-à-dire que sous la vidéo, il suffit d'activer votre CC Closed Captions, sous-titre à côté du paramètre ici. Par exemple, quand j'appuie ici, voilà. Donc c'est ça la traduction qui est apparue en français. Voilà, bienvenue à l'école des affaires et de motivation de Cambis. Parlons du business, blablabla. Donc c'est ça. Donc si vous suivez ou vous regardez la vidéo et que il n'y a pas la traduction qui apparaît, vous activez simplement votre closed captions, sous-titres ici, et ça vient. Donc c'est ça. Quand j'appuie ici encore, ça disparaît. Voilà. J'appuie encore, ça réapparaît. Voilà. Donc c'est comme ça, il faut activer son sous-titre. Comme ça, vous aurez la traduction tranquillement. Merci et restez connectés. Good morning everyone, and welcome once again to the channel. It is quite unfortunate that from my last video on PatreonPay, I was misunderstood. I had messages that showed that some people are not happy for me making that kind of video explaining the brain behind PatreonPay stance. In fact, I made it clear in that video that it's a personal opinion. It's a personal decision. In fact, I'm not in the pocket of PatreonPay members. I don't have your purse. I don't have your wallet. So please, it's just an analysis that I made. Some clear logic in what they are proposing. For me, if PatreonPay was not able to honor its commitment for money invested, that was clearly made for 10 months, 300% for 10 months, and they were not able to honor this 300% for 10 good months, and our monies were locked. They brought in Patreon
which if you withdraw $5,000, you withdraw $5,000 into Patreon. When you go to exchange that $5,000, you get $20. That is the sad reality of what we are facing with Patreon. That is the sad reality that we are facing, that we are going through with Patreon. $5,000, you go to exchange, you get $20. That is $4,980 loss. $900. Let's just put a calculator here. 4,980 over 5,000. That is 90.6% loss. 99. Sorry. That is 99.6% loss when you withdraw 5,000 from Patreon Pay platform. You get $20 outside or on the exchange market. So these people were not able to honor their commitment for 10 months, 300% for 10 months, and now they are telling us 300% for 1 month, for 30 days. And I cannot believe that. That's why I made a video. We have people, we have members or people or investors that we brought into this, and some of us are carrying the blame, are carrying the problems in our head now. So if you are in this situation and then you cannot make a video to explain to your members or to your downliners, people who are following you, your position, your stand, then it's quite unfortunate. See, if you check the title of this video, I purposely put what there: emancipate yourself from mental slavery. That is from Bob Marley. That is from Bob Marley. It is high time we start to emancipate ourselves from this mental slavery, whereby it seems like, yes, you enjoy in the past, and now that they are bringing some opportunity for us also to enjoy, you are telling us that it's not possible. Oh, come on. It is high time we emancipate ourselves from mental slavery, like Bob Marley put it in his own song. You see, I just have to play this song for some of us, or for some of you, to understand what I am putting in. You see, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. No more we ourselves can free our mind. No one but ourselves can free our mind. We should emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. That is Bob Marley. None but ourselves can free our mind. Have no fear for atomic energy, because none of them can stop the time. Yes. How long shall they kill our prophets? And here I will say, how long shall they continue to steal our money? How long shall they continue to steal our money when we stand aside and look and watch? It's just a heart of faith, got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? My brother, it's up to everybody. I'm not forcing anyone to do whatever he wants. No, I'm not holding anyone. It's simple my opinion. You understand? Just a little, just some. Let's see this. Just a little analysis of what we have now from PetronPay. See, I just take the package, the package that they have, the minimum, the last buried minimum $25. So PetronPay is telling us that if you invest $25 now, you have 100% on that $25 as deposit. You have 100% of that straightforward. When you deposit $25, then you have, that means it will come to $50. That is it, $50. Good. So, and they are saying that, so the activation plus the bonus, this is the activation plus the bonus, which make $50. You have 300% on that in 30 days. This is it, $150 in 30 days. Good. So now they are saying they have four different kind of referrals. So the first one is 20%, the second is 10%, then the third 5%, then the last one 1%. So let's see. I'm just taking one referral. First referral, that gives you 20%. This is it. So this 20%, assuming you bring someone with the minimum, yes, the minimum of $25. Let's just be at the minimum of the investment package. So if you bring someone with a minimum of $25, that means you get $25 times 20%. That is it. That's what they mention in the message. The message is still on the platform. So 25% on $25, which gives $5. So this means that at the end of the 30 days period, you should have this $150 plus $5, which is $155. So let's just do simple mathematics here, calculation. So if your initial $25 as a package, let's assume it's just in that category of $25, that is your 100% investment for $25. And then at the end of the day, you get $155. So let's calculate the percentage. The percentage gives you 155 times 100% over 25. And this gives us 620%. 620% in 30 days. That is what PetronPay is proposing now. 620%. That is what PetronPay is proposing. Just see it here. That is 155 over 25 invested.
That is it, 6.2 times 6.2. Your $25 times 6.2. 6 times. That is the minimum. So meaning that if someone brings like $1,000, is expecting how much? 6,000 at the end of the month. If you bring 1,000, then $1,000, you should expect 6,000 at the end of the month. And this makes sense. And this, we think this makes sense. What kind of business they are going to do for them to get more than 600%? Let's say they are going to get more than 700% or 800% to remit 6 and 20% for us. What kind of business are they going to do with that money in order to pay 620% in 1 month if they were not able to pay 300% for 10 months? So that is the reason. That is where we should emancipate ourselves from mental slavery and understand what they are playing with us. So this is it. I'm not forcing anyone. No. For someone to write nonsense to me, I'm not in your pocket. I'm not holding your wallet or whatever. No, you are free to do whatever you want to do. But just let me be. Let me make my analysis for those who can understand. And at the end of the day, make a right decision. That's all. They say they are going to do what? They mentioned that they want to restart their oil business. It's simple. Let's read what they put here. Let's read this before I show you something here. The whole thing, it seems like they even read what they watch. Like I said in my previous videos, that they watch whatever we do. See, we only focus on the positive outcome. Job builders, we only focus on the positive outcome. Our priority is to quickly solve your problems and move forward. Our main activity, oil trading, is resuming service with force. Your investment, know this, oil trading. We'll come to the oil trading right now. So it's resuming service with force. Your investments since yesterday are injected with truly spectacular profits. In the end, we gradually find the small soul loss. From our mistake we learn. From our mistake we had discovered flaws. From our mistake we grew. Eventually, life is made like this. Let us always be strong in the face of challenges. You are not forced to invest in the bot. You can just wait until 1st October for the refund by the website. The bot is only for investment during this promotion resurrection period. So a quick question, a quick response to some questions people keep sending me. This is it. 1st October, with some withdrawal are not, people mention that they cannot withdraw, that withdrawals are not going through. They mention that we should just hold on. 1st October, everything will start at fresh. So you just wait till 1st October and you can have your withdrawal if that is true. So 1st October we'll all see. So that is it. Peace and love to all. Your favorite CEO, Johnny Grant, Patreon page. So this is it. Let's read some of the concerns they themselves they saw or they watch some videos. See, concern 1. Some of you continue to believe that we are scammers who have come to steal your web platform login information. That is 1. Answer: neither the bot nor the online platform can save your password because they are encrypted data. If there is a problem with your account, you don't need your password to actually have access to it. Your accounts are managed from a dashboard. In addition, in the bot, we are never asked to use the same login information provided on the web platform. That is true also. They mention clearly that you should not use the password we use for the website, for the main platform. That one is true. They mentioned that, but some people they criticize that, oh, they want just to steal our password and do that. That one is clear.
Concern 2. Some say that this bot does not come from PatronPay, so it is used only as a means of scam. Yes, because it's not clear. If you have a platform where we invested in what? In Bitcoin. We invested in Bitcoin, and later you turn into Patron, which is even a token. It's not even a coin, it's a token. It's a token. Moreover, security token. And in one of my videos, I explain what is security token, what they call security token, which will never have value. Never. That token will never have value. So I mentioned it. And here, when they say that they are using bot, people are criticizing it. It's clear why they now leave the platform, the main platform aside, and using bot for investment. If you are in a business, you want to continue running the business, allow us to invest in the same platform we invested before. So why bot? So answer, we urge you to read all the posts we posted in the channel to understand what we do and why we do it. In reality, without what we have done hastily during this 1 month, the online platform should already be closed because we have a big internal problem at the level of our board of directors. If Mr. John Grant created this team for the relaunch of PatronPay, because unfortunately it is his name and his face that represent the face of PatronPay. The other associates don't give a damn. Consent number 3. Some say that because they made only one mistake in their presentation, put 120 days instead of 10 months, then it is not PatronPay. In fact, this mistake was there. I myself, I saw it, but it's not something that is, main to me, so I just brush it aside. But the initial investment period was 10 months. 10 months for 300%, like I just said it. But when they're asking for the investment in the bot, they mentioned that instead of 120 days, it will be now 1 month. That's 30 days, which is a mistake. So some people also farted on that to say that no, it's not from PatronPay. Answer: if you are just expecting a misstep to judge shares, then the best is to delete your PatronPay account and say goodbye to PatronPay, as everyone is likely to make a mistake. We do not judge an action subjectively, but rather we take it in all its entirety to analyze its objective and the expected result. Avoid looking for the needle in the sun yourself instead of being positive. So consent 4. Some say we have paid them back before we should pay them. We have to pay them back before setting up the investment. But exactly, that's what I also said, that if they are serious, they want to really do business or continue the business, they should allow us to withdraw what we invested first. The first investment that we made, they should allow us to withdraw it, and in Bitcoin, because we invested in Bitcoin, so they should allow us to withdraw it in Bitcoin. And again, the patrons, the security tokens, they should convert that into BTC for us. Then from that moment now, we can move forward. If they ask for investment or whatever, then we know that yes, we are now into business. So they should allow us to do that first. So they know. That's what I'm saying. They watch everything. So they say, some say we have to pay them back before setting up the investment. That is what I put in my previous video. So answer: look, we are following a plan that we have already outlined. Our main activity, oil trading, is interrupted. Oil trading is interrupted after the Patron has been introduced. So we have to generate money to reimburse you, because the Patron that should lead the company to economic sovereignty has so far failed. Waiting to use only the Patron as a currency without fixed parity, a network of proprietary nodes will make us that cheating dump pump, which unfortunately can distort the planned economic sovereignty. So either we use. Listen to this one very carefully. Either we use the bot to stimulate investment or revive oil trading, or the company closes and everyone loses. So this is nonsense, because you see, it seems like now they know that we have, like they say, they have our hand in their mouth. Understand? They have our hands in their mouth.
in their mouths. We put money into their platform, they were not able to pay us, and it's a headache. Now a solution is that invest more so that we can be able to resume activity fully, make returns, profit, so that we can pay you and we go on smoothly. Either than that, don't invest, don't bring money, and then we all separate, we all vanish. Then the business stop there. Then we all lose. You see, it is kind of, yes, already we are in the position where your hand is our mouth. So either you like what we say or we crash your hand. That is it. I mean, they should, for me, like I said, even if $500 I lost in this, it's better than putting even $1 into this and regret it. We don't do things like that. This is not fair. So, and then they mention the oil trading. I don't know the kind of oil trading they do, and then they make and they make more than 600% in a month. Just have a look at the oil trading here. What is it? The oil trend. Here we are. Average monthly Brent crude oil price from January 2020 to January to July 2021. So let's see here. The price of the crude oil, the minimum somewhere here is how much? Is 18.38, and the highest is 75.17. Understand? 18, and the high is 75.18. Fine. That is the crude oil. Even the refined oil. Let's see the percentage what this one is giving us. 75.17 over 18. That is for 1 year, for August 2020 to July 2021. So over 1 year. 75.17 over 30 over 18.38. So 0.17 over 38.18. Oh, 38, no, over 18.38. You see, times 4, that is 400%. So far, over 1 year, the crude oil, the price increase, it is 400%. That is over a year. So even if we take it that it is even refined oil, they will be in the same bracket, and they will not even, that is crude oil, even the refined, it will even be less. So even if the refined is even 500, 600, so what at all they are going to, that is the oil trend for us, and they are now proposing 620% over 1 month. Over 1 month, 620% over 1 month. For me to believe, oh no, my cherished viewers, this is my humble opinion. This is what I was able to analyze and come to. So it is up to everyone. I'm not forcing anybody for someone to just DM me or send me whatever message. No, you are free to go ahead and invest in Patreon Pay. I'm not holding you. I'm not your advisor, financial advisor. No, it is my own opinion from my analysis. So thank you guys for being with me. If you liked this video, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. And if you have any comments that you think that, oh, there is something we had to improve, there's something we had to do, please drop your comments in the section, and we all see how we can move forward. Thank you and stay blessed.